I had a large wood pile that decomposed over the last decade. Is this already compost, or do I need to go through the normal composting cycle? It looks like the finest garden soil. Thanks. This is Robert from Bartlett, Tennessee. For over a decade. I would think. Yeah.
Well, first off, I need Mr. Roberts' address.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's if he has a wheelbarrow. Because, yeah, they may be almost spent, but yeah, it'll add amendments to the soil and what tillage tilleth.
Yeah.
And it'll help break up the soil, and it'd be good. So I think he'd be fine.
Yeah, I think that's probably well composted. Yeah, a decade, of course, you know, it's been raining. Now, has it been turned? It would help if it's been turned to help those microbes, you know, burn it down pretty good, or break it down pretty good. But no, I would think over a decade it should be pretty good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I would think it'd be real good, Mr. Robert. So thank you for that question. And yeah, you might have some folks coming over there with wheelbarrows.
That's right. I need some of that.
Yeah, that is pretty good. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.